love this place. We are very fine here as well.
Rĩrĩ nĩ rita rĩa mbere Ministry ya Gĩthomo kũhĩtũkĩra rũhonge rwa ũgai wa mĩeke ya mathomo ma ngathĩ cia igũrũ gũtabania kĩgomano ta gĩkĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe aciari, arutwo, thukuru cia mathomo ma ngathĩ cia igũrũ, oro ũndũ ũmwe na anyiti itemi angĩ sekta-inĩ ya gĩthomo. Kĩgomano gĩkĩ gĩa thikũ ithatũ gĩtanyĩtwo gũteithĩrĩria arutwo ũrĩa mangĩtaũkĩrwo wega nĩ kothi iria cirathomithio thĩinĩ wa thukuru cia university na college. Mwandĩki mũkaru wa mathomo ma ngathĩ cia igũrũ Beatrice Nyangala akiuga nĩ gũkoretwo na mwanya gwakinya nĩ mĩeke ya mawĩra. Rĩrĩ arutwo aingĩ nao makoretwo makĩremererwo kũrĩkĩrĩria kothi iria mambĩrĩria.
We have been grappling with the problem of mismatch between the products that come out of our universities and the job opportunities available. So this intervention is critical, but let me emphasize that KUCCPS has been undertaking this intervention only that it has been going to the regions.
Sometimes we have situations where we place students to a program that they chose, but then going forward, maybe first year, second year, they say now they want to move to something else. That means that if you ask them, they say maybe they're not finding what they're doing currently interesting or so on and so forth. Meaning that they perhaps do not have sufficient career guidance or career information. That's why they seem to be having a problem.
Aciari matitigĩtwo na thutha thĩinĩ wa kĩgomano gĩkĩ, onao makĩũrio kũnyita itemi matua-inĩ marĩa marakinyanĩrio nĩ arutwo.
We are here with the parents. We are quite happy with the turnout of parents who want to just come and understand what career guidance is. If we just focus on the students like we've been doing in the previous years, we find there's still a gap when the parents still insist that the students have to do what the parents would like them to do.
Hamwe na mangĩ marĩa arutwo aya megũkorwo magĩthomithio hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩkĩ nĩ ũrĩa mangĩgunĩka na kĩgĩna kĩa mathomo kuma kũrĩ thirikari.
If you choose, I need parents and students to please listen to this keenly. If you choose a public university, if you apply to be placed in a public university, any of the 32, then you'll qualify for government scholarship and you'll also qualify for higher education loans, the HELB loan. If you choose to get placed in a private university, then you will not be eligible for government scholarship. So when you're making a choice, please be alive to that fact.
Namba nene ya arutwo arĩa mekinyĩtie kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ arĩa mekire kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE mwaka wa 2025 na arĩa maraingĩrire thĩinĩ wa grade ya 10 mwaka ũyũ.
This is a beginning, this is a journey that we are going to walk with the students who come into grade 10 so that as they move to grade 11 and grade 12, then we will be celebrating the competencies that they are able to acquire as they go through their study.
We are preparing to receive this CBE graduates in 2029. Already, all the universities are undertaking pedagogical training because really the key thing here is pedagogy, the art and science of teaching and learning. How do we teach our students so that they come up with the skills that are required?
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.